Breathe out.
What is going on, crack addicts? Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to be posting a wide variety of chiropractic adjustments from some of your favorite chiropractors with some new additions. Also, all of their links will be in the description. That's where you can check them out directly. Now let's get into it and I'll see you on the next one. Up next, we have Vitaly Kazakovich.
Breathe out. Cheers. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Thank you. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Yes. Does it hurt?
Yes.
Yes. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax, relax. Are you okay?
Mm-hmm.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe out. Yes. Relax, relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe in, breathe out. Yes, are you okay?
Yes.
Relax, relax. Are you okay? Relax. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Yeah. Here?
Yes.
Okay. In. Breathe in. Yes, yes, it's all right.
Next up, we have Dr. Alex Tubio.
That chin up. Right here, relax this ear. There he goes. Alright. Just relax. You're good.
Ooh.
So take a deep breath and let. Awesome.
Ooh.
Yeah.
That was good.
That's perfect. There we go. So take a deep breath in and let that go. Good.
Oh, yeah.
You alright?
Yeah.
I messed up.
Yeah.
I told you I was still sore from squatting the other day.
Yeah, right there. Good. Relax your neck down. There you go. That's perfect. Good. No, there we go. Relax your hip down. There it goes. You alright? So just relax everything good.
Oh. Oh, man.
Practicing. Oh.
Yeah.
No. Just stay there. I'm trying to move you.
Yeah.
Good. Look up a little bit for me. Good. Let the shoulders relax more. That's it. Nice. Right?
Yeah. Just felt like all loose right here.
Yeah. Yeah, right there. It's already moving. So take a deep breath and let that go.
Oh. Man.
You can relax, try to look a little bit more. That's it. Drop your shoulders more. Good. Tilt that chin up a tad. Oh, man.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Mm-hmm. Let the neck go. That's good.
Oh. That was almost all lower, like the very lower part.
Mm-hmm. So let's adjust down here first. All right.
Mm-hmm.
That's good. Right there. That's good. It's already moving. And we're gonna push right in through here. All right, you ready? So take a deep breath in and let that air out. That's good. More. Good. That's it right there. We're gonna open that area right here. That's it. Good. So take a deep breath in and let that air out. Relax that stomach more. Good. Good. On the back side of it, it's the most pressured part. We already saw that the discs are starting to compress. So what we have to do is establish motion back into that area. All right. So let me see this. You're gonna hold tight. This T4, T5 region is right here. Feel that? We're gonna move it back this way. Good. So I want you to relax. Hold yourself a little tighter. Good. Deep breath in and let that air out. That's great. Good. Good. I just want you to relax. Drop this shoulder more. Good. Relax there.
Yeah, that was intense.
Good. Drop your shoulders. Relax everything more.
If you made it to the end of the video, guys and girls, Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more.